Dwan. I work abroad, so in terms of training young people, I thought learning aspects of construction, such as building and tiling and plastering, would come in handy when I go back. I'll be going back to retrain young people in West Africa to build in construction. The internet, and my son, family had told me about it as well. Location, the variety, the fact that you could probably, cost-wise, you can break up the cost as well, and break up the courses over a period of time. Interesting, very practical in terms of learning. Communication, been very good with the instructors, and enjoyable. I did the bricklaying for 6 weeks. I started off doing the first week, but because I wanted to learn more, as I said earlier on, I was able to break up the course and learn more about the building, as well as the tiling as well. And I decided to do the tiling as well, because again, I did 1 week and ended up doing the 6 as well, because I thought it was very good in terms of the training. The instructor for the bricklaying, very good, very direct and very structured. Every instructor is different, because I had 3 different instructors. Very likeable. With tiling, the instructor's spot on, very likeable. He was the reason why I probably ended up doing the rest of the courses, because his communication, I think he had time. I saw him moving around each student, and anything he wanted to know, anything he wanted to give, he was very phenomenal. So yeah, hands down. Definitely, yeah, definitely. I think I've definitely enjoyed being here. I'll definitely come back, and I definitely would recommend the course to others as well. I like to think so. I like to think I've progressed in terms of understanding the work and what goes into it. I thought it was more difficult going into it, but the fact that some instructors, particularly the one for tiling, made it so easy to understand. Once you go away, come back, and you're able to approach each module with more confidence.